This is a 2013 Honda Civic Accord LX, and we're gonna change the front lights from what it comes with, the dealer installed, which are the halogen lights, to this new one, LED, from ZonCar. The kit is pretty simple. As you can see, it looks exactly, maybe this is a little plastic and it's not metal, but it should work. Comes with a heat sink to disperse the heat, and the connection looks to be the same. So I've already pre-taken this one out. It's very easy. You just do a quarter turn and pull the light out. And now we're going to install this one, and it should take about 5 minutes per side. The manual comes pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy. It's very simple. And if you're able to take out the light, you'll be able to install it in a zip. It's really fast. Once again, this is ZonCar LED lighting kit for a Honda Civic 2013 through 2017, I believe. All right, give it a shot. Here's the wire that we took out. Now we're gonna put the light exactly like the other one was in. Oh, sorry, it's up here. Clip the light back on, and the light is completely installed again. That's it. It's that simple. And then we would repeat the same process on the other side. These I'll keep as a souvenir in case those run out or something happens. I can temporarily put these on until I order a new pair. The LED lights are going to be completely eye-opening at night, because the difference is night and day. We'll have another video coming up with the difference, so you can see how bright these LEDs are compared to the previous lights that I had. We'll also link these guys up in our comments section or in our description. We'll link these up so that you guys can see where we got this. ZonCar LED lighting. The other lights look like that. It looks like a pale yellow light. And now the other lights look like that. And it pretty much lights up the whole way compared to the other. Now we need to change the other lights, the high beams, so that they match the LED lights. And we're set. It almost looks like if he has the brights on, but he doesn't. See the bright lights, how yellowish they are? And the other lights are just as bright, the new LED lights. Ya. Apágala. La luz. Ok, préndela. Ok. Pues mira, en la noche hace esto también. Sí, sí,